y'all, look at my hair, periods.
He want me to hit him first. That'll happen when he in a hearse. Hey, I drop a pic on the gram. Ay, now he come with the thirst. Click, click, close.
Hey y'all, it's me, Shannon, back again. Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna start this hair video just with my natural hair out, but of course if you have your hair braided, that's gonna be even more perfect. Okay y'all, so in this box they give you a wig cap, and they also give you a little like hair thing to lay your edges down, which I'm also gonna use that because I need that. They give you a little edge brush, which thank you, because I also need this as well. And they also give you a little band so you can make your wig tighter, and I think just hair care tips for your wigs, and then a little baggie. So I'm gonna just wrap my hair up. I'm not gonna braid it, but if you have a lot of hair, I would braid it. Like, I have a lot of hair, my hair is thick. Right now it's just straight, and also it's oily because I put a lot of oil in my hair last night because it's the ends and my hair was just dry. Like, so I put a lot of oil in it. I'm not really mad about it being oily because usually my hair soaks up the oil. I'm not gonna braid it, I'm just gonna wrap it up kind of and just put it under this wig cap. I'm gonna try this one. If not, I think I have a light one, so because I don't usually use this color wig caps, but I like that they gave me this color though. I'm gonna talk in a voiceover, so like I always do, because it's really nothing to say. You're just gonna watch me install it, and I'm also gonna do some cute crimps in my hair, so you can, I'm probably gonna talk at that part, but yeah, just watch me. Y'all pretty much know how I lay my wigs, but if you don't know, you can watch this. So this is just what the wig looks like, natural, in its natural state, lace still on. I think this was like a, I don't know what type of curl this was, but I think it was just like a wave type of curl. It was really light and just really pretty, but here's what the lace looks like, and I already plucked the middle part. And now, of course, this is just, y'all always see me do this, but spray got to be spray. I put the cap on and I already cut out my ears, but that's really simple. You just literally cut out your ear and just spray. They got to be spray. And yeah, just fan it and let it dry. You guys can also use a blow dryer. I forgot to say this, but if you don't know my installs by now, I really don't like using a blow dryer because it's just so loud, and I don't know, at this point in time I just didn't feel like putting, you know, doing it all together. So you can use a blow dryer if you do have time and just want to just, you know, that can dry it quicker. But right here you can see me, I'm cutting this lace. Now I did have trouble cutting off my ears. I always have trouble doing that part, y'all. That's the part that I need to keep practicing on, to cut out these ears, because y'all cannot get it. Like, them sides be tricky, but it's not really that difficult. You just gotta practice. But again, I'm cutting off the extra lace, you know, me. And after you finish that, you can start the gluing process, but make sure that you cut off enough lace. You do not need a whole bunch of lace on your forehead. Cut off as much as you can until you see your hair. Like, you don't want to obviously cut your hair, or, you know, but you do not need a lot of lace. And as you can see, this part, my lace was lifting, like them sides was not trying to stay. But I just put powder on the lace, and now I'm ready to lay it down, poo. Just as a tip, you guys can also go in with the Got To Be Spray and spray your cap twice. I didn't do that, and that's probably why my sides wasn't that secure and just kept lifting, because I didn't spray it twice. But I do recommend you spraying it twice, and also blow drying it, because that can help it dry a little bit more. I think I should have let it dry more. But anyway, we are to cutting the lace. So I want to cut the lace into little sections. I got this tip from J, but a lot of people do this as well. But yeah, cut it in sections, and it can help you glue down your lace way better than just having a big lace. Like, you know what I'm saying? It just helps you, each section you can just glue it. Everything is flat and nice and even. So I decided to do that, and it actually works. So as I showed y'all, I'm just going to be using my boho glue, and I'm just putting little dots on my forehead and at the cap and smoothing it out and just placing that section on my head. Now I do the front of my head to the sides because I feel like if you do the sides all the way around, it can get uneven and your part be uneven. So always start with the front part, the front of your lace, then going down to the sides. And yeah, just repeat this process. Put the dots, smooth it out, let it dry, let it get tacky, a little clear, and place it down and just smooth it with the comb. And also guys, this wig didn't come with the knots bleached or plucked. I think it came pre-plucked, but I did have to go over and pluck to look more of my hairline and more natural. But the knots wasn't bleached, so yeah, that's just something to think about. I didn't bleach them because, y'all, I'm not really good with bleaching the knots. Like, I don't really know how to do that. I have to sit down and practice for that. But I'm definitely going to get into it because I think that if you have the knots bleached, it would look so much more natural and, like, more like it's coming out of your skin. So, yeah. Now, y'all, I do not recommend you do this part, but I mean, I didn't get none of the glue on my hair, so but like I said, y'all, I messed up the sides, so I had to lay down some of the lace. I made sure I pushed back some of my natural hair, and then I just took some glue and put it right there, you know, just a little bit. I didn't, as you can tell, I didn't put a lot, but I just needed a little bit of the lace to lay down. As y'all can see here, I'm getting a eyebrow razor, and I think that these are way better to use in my opinion than scissors, because scissors have a kind of straight cut to them, and I don't think that a straight cut looks good when you're cutting your lace. It just looks wiggy and fake. So I definitely recommend getting a eyebrow razor to use to cut your lace. Okay, y'all, so now onto styling. I'm going to use this crimper from insert name here. This is not sponsored, but I feel like some of y'all going to ask me where is it from. So yeah, a lot of people was using this, a lot of influencers was using this product, and I was like, let me try it. I seen it on Instagram, it was an ad, and I was like, let me buy it. Y'all, look at my hair, period. So basically what I did was I just finished crimping it with this crimper. This one was like on Instagram. This is not sponsored, by the way, but I did find this off of Instagram. I seen like a lot of like influencers using this, so yeah, I decided, like, let me just get this, because first of all, y'all thought it was a scam, but it wasn't a scam, because I was about to say, but poo. But yeah, I always wanted to crimp up my hair, so I did some crimps. Now the only thing about it is that my hair kind of fell when I did my makeup. It was like sitting, like, you know what I'm saying, so it kind of fell. But if your curls fall, just use some Got2b spray or some strong holding like hairspray so it can just stay. But I probably will just go over these two and just make it like really deep crimps. And yeah, but y'all, I am in love with this hair. This is the hair, OMG. I love it, y'all. Like, whoa, it's just everything. It's the makeup, it's the hair, it just adds it. It adds the touch, okay? Because period. So y'all, this, I mean, I just need this piece to be a little bit flatter, but like, you see, like, if that could just been a little bit flat, that would have been good. But y'all, the lace though, like, I'm not really good with my side pieces, and this one was just messing up, and I really just wanted to hurry up and freaking like do my hair. So sorry about these little side pieces, but when it's the middle part, boo, nobody's want to see that. So when it's the side part, that's something different, but this is the middle part, and my hair is gonna stay like this, so ain't nobody gonna see that, so don't even worry about it. So make sure you guys go to Alipearl hair, make sure you shop with them, make sure you get just some nice hair from them. It's just so soft. And by the way, y'all, like I was saying, when I use this crimper, I also use this crimper, goes up to like 450 degrees. I use this on my whole head, and when you crimp hair, you gotta like hold it for a while, so it literally did not burn, like nothing. This hair can hold up some heat. So make sure you go to Alipearl hair, get you some hair, POOH. cool. The hair details will be in the description box down below, so don't forget to check the description box if you want to know anything about this hair, the density, the curl pattern, even the link to this hair will be in the description box down below. So make sure you check out the description if you want to purchase some. And yeah, I'm not sure if I have a code right now. I don't know if I have a code, but if I do, the code will definitely be in the description box down below. It's probably gonna be like Shann or like ItsShannn or like Shann 10. It's gonna be something like that, I'm pretty sure. And y'all seen this hair in the beginning. It was curly, like, so it still has like that beachy curl to it, but it's just a little crimped. But yes, make sure you check out Alipearl hair. Get you some hair, poo. It is just lit. And yeah, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, watching me crimp my hair, watching me install it. Hopefully you learned a little bit of something how to install. I know this install was not the best, but yo, I haven't been doing my hair in so long, like literally, like I don't know. I gotta keep practicing on my wig installs, not gonna lie, because quarantine has definitely slowed me down. I was on a roll doing good, but you know, it's still not that bad. Like, I still got it down packed, so don't come for me in the comments, I already know. But that's pretty much it. This is the end of this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this wig install. So I'm gonna head out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my social medias in the description box down below. Instagram, Snap, and Twitter, all in the description box down below. And let me know any more videos you want to see from me. And yeah, tell me if you like this video, tell me if you like this hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love y'all.